She made me feel confident, she made me feel cool. She told me if I'm real with her, she would be too. I think that I love her, no wait, I know I do.
Hey ladies, so today I'm coming at you with a wig review. I was contacted by this company named Yasterd. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This is the company. I was contacted by them asking if I would like to review one of their units. They're a new company. I'll leave the link and everything for the website down below. The website's really nice. They have a fairly good selection of wigs, and I'm assuming that there will be more in the future. So I selected this unit. This is the packaging. I love this black box. It's very chic and it's great for storing the unit. So I'm just gonna open it up. This is what the packaging on the inside looks like. This is the wig, and then they have a little box with 2 wig caps in it. So this is that. There's a net cap, and then there is a nude cap. And then this is the hair. This is a lace unit. It has a little bit of lace in the back, a very little bit in the back. Then I want to say this was a 13x6, but it may be a 13x4. I will get the exact information for you guys. And then the tracks are sewn onto the stretchy mesh cap in the back. There are no combs, absolutely no combs on this unit, so I'm a little bit anxious to try it on and see. I kind of have a big head. I braided my hair down, and so I'm hoping that I won't need combs to secure it in place. It does have elastic straps in the back, so it has the adjustable elastic straps in the back. Yeah, very simple cap construction. Let's see. The name of this unit is Baird. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that. The color is black. The length is 26 inches, and of course that's stretched. This is synthetic. I wanted a curly unit. They didn't have any curly units yet in the human hair. Most of them were really long or they were bobs, and I have plenty of both of those. So I wanted to do something different. I haven't done a curly unit in a while. So I got this. It's synthetic. It does have a bit of a smell, so I'm going to wash it, at least co-wash it before I actually wear it, but I'm gonna throw it on for you guys because I want to see what she looks like. Okay, the moment of truth. Wow, it actually fits very comfortably. It's not too tight at all. I can already see though, I'm gonna get some clips. So I personally have a low hairline, which basically just means, if you're not familiar with that term, that my hairline comes really far forward, like close to my eyebrows. I don't have a hairline that sits far back on my head. So at the sides and the temples, my hair has a tendency to come further forward. So even with this pulled all the way forward to the point where the wig hairline matches my natural hairline up top, on the sides it still peeks out just a little bit, like right there. So that's hair of my own that I would usually, if you've seen any of my other videos, I kind of just style with the unit because there's not much I can do about that unless I were to cut my hair, and I'm not going to do that. So this is what she looks like just straight out of the box. I can see there are some layers. There's some layers here in the front. So it's not 26 inches all the way around. There are these shorter layers in the front. Now, I don't know if this is supposed to be a bang or if it's supposed to be just to create some body. So anyway, I'm gonna wet it and I'm going to wash the smell out, and then I'll come back and like legit style it. But yeah, this is what. So I've washed the unit. This is what it looks like wet. Just want to show you guys before I dry it. This is the curl pattern. I brushed the front back some. Let's see. You can see the knots, and from what I can tell, it's not really a pre-plucked hairline. I don't know if this is even in focus. I'm not gonna do any bleaching of the knots or anything like that. It is synthetic hair, so I don't even think the knots will bleach. So I'm gonna dry it and then I'll come back and we'll